How to fix apps crashing on Android. This tutorial shows you how to stop apps from crashing and get them running smoothly again. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on Apps. From there, find and tap on the app that keeps crashing. At this point, tap on Force Stop and then confirm by tapping OK. This shuts down the app completely so it can start fresh. In the next step, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache to remove any corrupted temporary files. Following this, go back and open the Play Store. Tap on your profile icon at the top right and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Once done, check if the crashing app has an update available and install it if it does. From here, if the problem continues, go back to Settings, tap on Apps, select the app, tap on Storage, and this time tap Clear Data. Keep in mind this will reset the app, so you may need to sign back in. At this stage, scroll back up and tap on Uninstall, then reinstall the app fresh from the Play Store. Finally, if apps are still crashing after all of this, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, and tap Restart to give your device a full reboot. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix apps crashing on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.